The Hitron modem's blinking green light is an indicator that the unit is attempting to lock into a downstream frequency. If the modem fails to display a solid blue color, signifying it has successfully locked into a frequency, then there is an issue that needs to be addressed. Common causes of this problem include temporary bugs with the modem and network issues. To resolve the issue, a power cycle can be conducted by powering down the modem, detaching it from its current connections, waiting for 5 to 10 minutes, and then plugging it back in and rebooting it. If the flashing green light persists, a factory reset can be performed by locating the reset button on the modem, pressing and holding it for approximately 10 seconds, and releasing it when the lights on the unit start flashing. If these solutions fail to resolve the issue, it is likely due to a network outage, in which case contacting the internet service provider is the best course of action, as they are the only ones who can fix the problem.